Hello, so last time we created a door and today we're also going to create a door but just a little bit different on the way it works. So last time we created a door where if I clicked on the door, it's going to become a little bit transparent and it's going to allow us to walk through it. So this is one way, or I should say the easy way of creating a door in Roblox Studio. Today we're going to create a similar script, however it activates in a different way. The way it activates is with this key card or this key. So you can design a key card or a key however you wish, as long as you make it a tool. So just a reminder how to create a tool. We go into workspace, click on plus icon, and look for something called a tool. Drag all parts of the key card or the key into that tool. So as you can see, I'm dragging this part into a tool. And this part, I have to rename at least one of the part, usually the handle part, as capital H-A-N-D, handle. So this allows Roblox Studio to identify what I can carry and what I can hold. So in this case, I can hold this handle part. What we're going to do next is we're going to script this door. So the way that it works is we have just a script inside your door, and this is just one big part of a door. Of course, you can make it more complicated, but just keeping it simple today. Over here we have a script, so click on plus icon, insert a script, and we have a script over here. The way that this works is if it touches something called a key card, it's gonna, similar to last time, become non-collidable, meaning I can go through it and change its transparency to about half, so 0.5. So it looks like a little bit transparent. After 2 seconds, it's gonna revert back to its normal state. So just a key note, over here we have key card. So this is important to note because we want to rename our tool as the item that we rename. So in this case, we want to call it key card. You can rename it by right-clicking it and click on rename and rename it to exactly what it's spelled in this script. So it's called key card. If yours is a key, do spell it as key. So let's try it out. If I click on play here, we should be able to carry our tool, which is the key card, and touch the door with our key card. And let's see if it works. Aha! So if I touch the door, it does become transparent and it does become collidable. As you can see, I can't go through it now, but if I use the key card, I can go through the door. Of course, you can create like a place to insert the key or insert a key card. That's up to you, but that's a little bit complicated or more complicated, and maybe for next time. Thank you.